Hi guys. I don't know why I said that. Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Nair, and I am trying, finally, super late, flaming hot Mountain Dew, because where we live, which Kritz is holding the bottle, but he doesn't want to be in frame. Okay, there we go. It finally came to where we live. We're a tiny little town. Kind of. It's not tiny. There's more tinier towns around us. But anyway, okay. On topic. So we're trying Mountain Dew Flaming Hot. I've been wanting to try this since I heard about its announcement. And it's the same color as Major Melon. And kind of Code Red. I don't know if he's going to try it on camera because he kind of tried it before I started filming. Okay, so he didn't. I don't know if you heard that, but he didn't. So where's the heat? I'm going to say that and then I just get punched in the face with heat. So that doesn't taste bad, actually. It tastes pretty good. I'm going to let him try. It's his. That's why I waterfalled it. They don't taste bad. That actually tastes pretty good. It tastes pretty good. It doesn't...
I expected to go...
Yeah. Like, I expected it to basically just, like, make my throat and my mouth...
Oh.
Die.
You just need more.
Oh, you need more? Let's go. I'm going to try to get more.
I'm not going to finish this bottle, by the way.
Still not bad.
I don't think you should chug it.
Tastes bad. With a blast of heat and citrus. This is not really hot. This is false advertisement. Let me get in the light. This is false advertisement. I don't care what anybody says. This is such a false advertisement. It literally just... It doesn't taste bad, in my opinion. Of course, a lot of people don't really like citrus or whatever else is in here. But yeah, I'm going to chug a little bit of this. So, yeah, I'm going to chug a little bit of this. And we're going to see if I can finish it. So, yeah. It smells like Code Red. Smells like Code Red. Looks like Major Melon. And tastes like a spicy version of Code Red. That's my opinion. That's my full analysis. Now, I'm going to fully try to chug this and not talk. So, yeah. I don't know if I like this. Will I probably buy it a few times? Yes. The heat is kind of building up now. It's not too hot. I really like hot stuff, and flaming hot especially. But I need to shut up, so yeah. Let's get into it. If you remember this series, I'm trying not to burp too. Oh. Oh. Okay, the heat is starting to kick in. Because of the heat. Oh, because I'm chugging it. Oh, I'm about to burp. I have so little left. But I'm trying not to burp. I smell like sweat, bro. Okay. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share to at least one friend. Helps me out, and I appreciate it. Oh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.